This is Peillon, one of the most remarkable medieval villages perches, or perched villages, in all of France. A true eagle's nest, built hundreds of feet above the Peillon Valley for one critical reason: defense. Dating back to at least 1150, its entire layout is a testament to the turbulent Middle Ages. Villagers built their homes tightly against one another, creating an impregnable, single stone rampart to protect against invaders and looters. Up here, life is contained within a maze of tight, cobblestone streets, steep stairways, and arched passageways known locally as pountins. It's a completely car-free environment that has perfectly preserved its authenticity for centuries. At the village's highest point stands the Church of the Transfiguration, its bell tower actually built atop the remains of the original 12th century fortified castle keep. This landmark symbolizes the transition from military fortress to a permanent, peaceful community. Peillon's significance lies not just in its dramatic setting, but in its isolation. Unlike more famous neighbors, it remains largely untouched by mass tourism, offering a rare, genuine glimpse into the Provencal past. The area itself is part of the beautiful Alpes Maritimes hinterland. This rugged landscape is crisscrossed with ancient walking paths, still used today to discover the surrounding olive groves and old oil mills, a reminder of the region's agricultural roots. Peillon is more than a postcard view. It is a living piece of history, an authentic fortress of stone and tradition, proudly looking down on the valley it has protected for over 800 years. From the ancient quiet of Peillon, our journey takes us further along the Côte d'Azur's stunning coastline, climbing even higher to discover a village that truly defies gravity. This is Èze Village, often called an eagle's nest for its incredible position, over 400 meters above the Mediterranean Sea. Getting here is part of the adventure, hinting at the history within its walls. Stepping inside Èze is like stepping straight into a medieval fairy tale. These ancient, winding cobblestone streets, some only a few feet wide, haven't changed much in centuries. Every turn reveals a new secret, a tiny art gallery, a hidden cafe, or a boutique carved into the very rock. This village thrives on its history, now welcoming visitors to share its unique charm. The village itself dates back to the Roman era, but its current fortified structure largely comes from the 12th century, built by the Counts of Provence. Its strategic location made it a prized possession for centuries. Leaving Èze, you carry with you not just memories of a beautiful village, but the feeling of having stood in a truly magical place, high above the world, where history and nature combine in a spectacular embrace. Our ultimate destination is the very summit of Èze, at the site of its former medieval castle. The climb can be steep, but every step promises an even grander reward. Here, nestled among the castle ruins, is the breathtaking exotic garden, Jardin Exotique. It's a botanical wonderland, home to an incredible collection of cacti, succulents, and Mediterranean plants from all corners of the globe. But it's the view from up here that truly captivates. A 360-degree panorama stretches out before you. The shimmering Mediterranean, the dramatic coastline sweeping towards Cap-Ferrat and Nice, and the sheer vastness of the French Riviera.